Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Salesforce account with Salesforce, full guide step by step clearly. To reset your Salesforce account, begin by navigating to the Salesforce login page. Once there, locate the Forgot Your Password link and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your username. After entering your username, click on the Continue button. Check your email for a password reset link from Salesforce. Open the email and locate the link provided. Click on the link to be directed to the password reset page. Here, enter your new password following the password requirements. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the designated field. Click on the Change Password button to finalize the reset process. After successfully changing your password, return to the Salesforce login page. Input your username and the new password you just created. Click the Login button to access your account. If you encounter issues accessing your account, check for a password reset email in your spam or junk folder. If you do not receive an email after requesting a reset, ensure that you are using the correct username. Alternatively, you may contact your administrator for further assistance. Once logged in, consider updating your security settings for added protection. This includes enabling two-factor authentication if it is available for your account. You have now successfully reset your Salesforce account and are ready to resume using the platform. For future reference, keep your login credentials secure and update your password regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.